Today nobody talks about this AI career. It is not coding. It is not prompt engineering. It is not content creation. Yet companies quietly hire for it. Salaries are rising fast. Freelancers are charging premium rates. Why is nobody explaining it? Why do job boards barely mention it? Why do schools ignore it? This role sits between AI and money. It connects tools with outcomes. It fixes broken automation. It turns models into revenue. Most people never see it coming. If you watch closely, patterns appear. Big companies already rely on it. Small businesses desperately need it. Few professionals understand it fully. That gap creates opportunity. Stay through the full breakdown. One insight near the end matters most. This path rewards thinking, not hype. It favors calm problem solvers. It scales with experience quickly. The role is called AI Workflow Architect. Some call it AI Systems Operator. Others say AI Automation Strategist. Titles vary, skills stay consistent. You design how AI actually works. Not theory, not demos, real usage. Businesses buy results, not models. They want speed, accuracy, savings. AI tools alone do nothing. Someone must connect everything. That someone is this role. You map tasks humans hate. You replace steps with automation. You monitor performance weekly. You fix failures quietly. No spotlight, strong leverage. This is why pay stays high. Let us break the path simply. Step 1 is understanding workflows. Every business runs on processes. Sales, support, operations, reporting. Most processes are messy. AI thrives on structure. You learn to spot bottlenecks. Delays, repeats, wasted clicks. Step 2 is tool selection. You do not build models. You choose existing AI platforms. Each tool solves one problem. Combining tools creates power. Step 3 is integration logic. Data must move cleanly. Outputs trigger next actions. Errors need handling rules. Reliability matters more than novelty. Step 4 is measurement. You track time saved. You track cost reduction. You track error rates. Clients care about metrics. Dashboards become your proof. Step 5 is iteration. Workflows are never finished. Models update constantly. Business needs shift fast. You adapt systems smoothly. This role fits US businesses well. Many lack in-house AI teams. They outsource specialized thinking. Consultants charge monthly retainers. Freelancers bill per system. Salaries exceed many developer roles. Especially outside big tech. You can start without coding. Logic thinking matters more. Familiarity beats mastery early. You learn tools while deploying. First clients come from pain points. Local businesses automate support. E-commerce stores automate ops. Agencies automate reporting. SaaS teams automate onboarding. Real examples build credibility. One tool often used is Zapier AI. It connects apps with intelligence. Another is Replit for logic testing. Claude helps analyze complex flows. Notion AI documents systems clearly. Pictory AI explains workflows visually. Tools change, thinking stays. Clients pay for clarity. They fear broken automation. You reduce that fear. Trust drives long contracts. This career avoids content burnout. No posting every day. No algorithm chasing. Work happens behind scenes. Results speak quietly. Learning curve feels manageable. Each project compounds skill. You reuse patterns often. Templates save hours. Experience increases speed. Speed increases income. Mid-career professionals pivot easily. Operations backgrounds fit well. Analysts transition smoothly. Project managers adapt fast. Even marketers succeed here. You already understand funnels. I just replaces steps. Pricing models stay flexible. Monthly optimization packages work. Per workflow builds also work. Retainers stabilize income. Referrals grow naturally. Clients recommend silently. Less competition than prompts. Fewer gurus selling courses. Real demand drives growth. At this point, quick reminder. Subscribe if this thinking helps. Turn alerts on for updates. These breakdowns arrive weekly. Now let us discuss risks. Bad automation destroys trust. Over-automation annoys users. Security mistakes cause damage. You must test carefully. You must document thoroughly. You must communicate clearly. Ethical use matters. Data privacy is critical. Compliance varies by industry. You learn boundaries quickly. This role rewards responsibility. Not flashy experimentation. Stable, dependable execution. Long-term thinking wins. I will commoditize tools. Strategy stays valuable. Humans still define goals. I just executes faster. This career sits safely. It bridges human intent. It controls machine output. Demand increases as tools multiply. Complexity creates need. Simplicity becomes premium. That is the paradox. Fewer people want this work. Those who do earn well. Entry path stays open. No degree requirement. Portfolio matters most. Show before-after systems. Explain reasoning calmly. Businesses respect that. You can start small. Automate your own tasks. Document improvements. Use those as case studies. Outreach stays targeted. Speak about outcomes only. Avoid technical jargon. Focus on saved hours. Focus on reduced errors. Focus on peace of mind. This messaging converts best. Over time, niche down. Choose one industry. Learn its workflows deeply. Specialization increases rates. Fewer competitors appear. This is rarely discussed online. It lacks viral appeal. Yet income proves steady. Careers built quietly last longer. Hype will cool. Infrastructure roles remain. This is infrastructure thinking. Invisible but essential. The smartest moves look boring. Boring often pays best. Future companies will need operators. Not just innovators. Someone must maintain systems. Someone must align tools. That demand already exists. It will not disappear. Next videos explore niches. Real pricing examples. Client acquisition tactics. Tool stacks by industry. Advanced error handling. Scaling multiple clients. Hiring support help. Packaging services professionally. If this opened your perspective, consider following the channel. Notifications keep you ahead. We publish weekly insights. Staying early matters. Most people arrive late. This role rewards early movers. Skills compound over years. Income stabilizes nicely. Stress remains manageable. Work stays flexible. Location independence is possible. US clients pay reliably. Contracts enforce stability. Results protect relationships. AI keeps evolving. This role evolves with it. You adapt instead of chase. That is the advantage. Few see it now. Many will later. You can start today. Learn workflows around you. Replace one step at a time. Measure everything. Improve slowly. Document clearly. Communicate simply. Charge fairly. Deliver reliably. That is the path. Tools links are in the description. Rewatch parts if needed. Share with curious friends. Quiet opportunities spread quietly. This channel maps them early. Subscribe before trends peak. Enable alerts for releases. Weekly drops stay practical. No hype cycles here. Just real leverage. Thanks for staying focused. The future favors operators, especially those using AI wisely. This is one of them. See you next week.